Hi everyone, thanks for watching tonight. A winter storm has forced schools and businesses to close in the region, and travel is becoming treacherous on area roads. The entire Lakeland viewing area is under a winter weather alert of some type, and we bring in weathercaster Stacy Christensen a little early tonight to update us on the latest. Stacy, what can you tell us?
Well, we do still have these advisories and warnings in effect across our viewing area into the early morning hours tomorrow. This area in pink is under a winter storm warning for eastern Minnesota until 3 a.m., for western Minnesota until 6 a.m. And then the areas in purple, a winter weather advisory again, Itasca County until 3 a.m., northwest Minnesota until 6 a.m. We could still see 1 or 2 inches of accumulation, additional accumulation overnight tonight, and there will still be some gusty winds out there, so we could see some areas of blowing and drifting snow. On the radar, we can see there are still many areas of snowfall across northern and central Minnesota tonight. There is going to be a smaller chance of seeing that snow overnight tonight, some light snow and flurries possible overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. So far, we have seen some significant snowfall reports, but these were sent into the National Weather Service a little bit earlier tonight. So by the time these snowfall totals come in from this system, probably going to see higher amounts. The highest total so far was in Warren, Minnesota, and far northwest Minnesota. That was at 7.5 inches of snow. But Motley with 7 inches of snow, Hackensack with 5.5, Leader, Baxter, and Brainerd all with 5 inches of snow. Could still see a little bit more snow overnight tonight. Back to you, Dennis.
Okay, thanks, Stacy. We'll check back in with you in just a little bit. A couple schools have called in with 2-hour late notices for tomorrow. Actually, 3 schools, Bemidji, Brainerd, and Red Lake, all 2 hours late tomorrow. I'm sure other schools are as well. You'll want to check with your local school districts to make sure of the plans.
Lakeland News is a nonprofit news organization. Donate to Lakeland PBS today to support your local news team.